how to orbit in Spaceflight Simulator. In this video we will see how to do that, how to enter into the low Earth orbit, and we can be safely orbiting the Earth. So let's start. As soon as you start the ignition, it will start going up. You need to keep an eye on the height. You can even go to the map, and in the map section you can see the height is increasing. Right now it is 1.5 kilometer and it's gonna keep on increasing. You need to be very careful. Most probably when you reach 10 to 15 kilometers like this, you should already start turning your head of the rocket so that it will start creating this curve of this line that you are able to see. That dot you are able to see that is moving in the line is actually not just a dot, but it is the peak of the motion of the, or you can say the reach of the rocket. It will start going down if you cross that dot. To have the perfect circle, what you need to be sure about is that while the ignition is on, while the rocket is actually firing with the ignition, at that time it should never cross the dot. If you cross the dot, then it will keep on moving down. So for that, keep the head of the rocket a little bit up and keep increasing the velocity. When you see the increase in the velocity, it will automatically going away. The dot will start going away. So what you need to do is you need to slowly tilt it down, slowly tilt it down as the velocities keep on increasing. And when you are already having a good velocity, at that time you can zoom out slowly, and you will be able to see that the line is going to be a circle slowly. Okay, now you can see here the line is turning into a circle, and here we need to be very careful with our speed. So I will decrease the throttle into 50-40%. Now we have entered into the low Earth orbit successfully. Here you can see, and this is very easy. You just need to practice a little in case if you are a beginner, but you can see how perfect the circle is. And this is very useful because when you want to do orbiting of the Earth, at that time this kind of low Earth orbit helps you to keep on orbiting without entering into the atmosphere and getting influenced by the gravity of the Earth. And also if you want to target some planets to reach, this kind of orbiting helps you to do that. So that's it. Thank you.